That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all her friends know me. Young bull living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the needle. Every time I was in LA, I was with my ex-girlfriend. Every time you called, I told you, baby, I'm working. I was out doing my dirt, wasn't thinking about you getting hurt. Hand in hand in a Beverly Center like, man, not giving a damn who sees me. So gone, so wrong, acting like I didn't have you sitting at home. Thinking about me, being the good girl that you are. I bet you probably believe you have a good man. One that never would do the things I'm about to tell you I've done. Brace yourself, it ain't good. These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I could say, my chick on the side says she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm thrown and I don't know what to do. Guess I gotta give part two of my confession. If I gotta tell it, then I gotta tell it all. Damn near cried when I got that phone call. I'm so gone, I don't know what to do but to get part two of my confession. You don't want no problem with me. If one more label try to stop me, there's gonna be some dreadhead hitters in the lobby. You don't want no problem with me.